15 magic drinks for a healthy life. In today's world, where health becomes an increasingly evident priority, taking care of the liver plays a fundamental role. In this video, we will dive into the secrets of nature that promise to revolutionize liver health, from the simplicity of water to the antioxidant power of green tea and the nutritional richness of beet juice. But how exactly do these elements contribute to the purification and proper functioning of your liver? Did you know that something as accessible as water can be a master key for liver detoxification? And that green tea, in addition to its known benefits, can be a shield against chronic liver diseases? Stay with us until the end to discover which drinks you should incorporate into your routine to not only improve your liver function, but also boost your overall health in ways you never imagined. Let's get started. 15 magic drinks for a healthy life. 1. Water. Hydration is crucial to keep all bodily functions operating optimally, including those of the liver. Water helps to cleanse the liver by facilitating the elimination of toxins through urine. Moreover, adequate hydration improves blood circulation, which is essential for the liver to receive the nutrients it needs to function. Drinking the recommended amount of water daily can prevent the accumulation of toxins in the liver, reducing the risk of liver diseases, such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Water also aids in digestion, helping the liver to process and filter substances more efficiently. Therefore, regular intake of water not only benefits the liver, but also supports the overall health of the body, promoting natural cleansing and proper organ function. 2. Green tea. Green tea is highly valued for its antioxidant properties, mainly due to the presence of catechins. These substances help to protect the liver against damage caused by toxins and inflammatory processes. Regularly consuming green tea can contribute to improved liver function and the reduction of the risk of developing chronic liver diseases such as liver fibrosis. Moreover, studies suggest that green tea has the potential to assist in reducing fat accumulation in the liver, fighting against fatty liver disease. Its antioxidant action can also be effective in preventing liver cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. It's important to highlight that consumption should be moderate, as excessive amounts can have adverse effects due to the caffeine content and other compounds. 3. Beetroot juice. Rich in natural nitrates and antioxidants, beetroot juice offers various benefits to liver health. These compounds help to improve blood flow and oxygenation of the body, easing the liver's work in filtering toxins. Beetroot also contains betalains, pigments that have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, supporting liver function. Furthermore, studies indicate that the consumption of beetroot juice can increase detoxification enzymes in the liver, contributing to the more effective elimination of harmful substances. Regular intake of this juice can also protect the liver against damage caused by environmental and dietary toxins. Including beetroot juice in your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to support liver health, promoting its natural detoxification capacity. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice, a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, plays a significant role in cleansing the liver and strengthening the immune system. Vitamin C, in particular, helps to increase the production of enzymes in the liver that aid in detoxification, facilitating the elimination of harmful materials from the body. Moreover, lemon juice stimulates the production of bile, a substance produced by the liver that is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Including fresh lemon juice in water or other beverages can help keep the liver healthy, promoting the elimination of toxins and protecting liver cells against damage caused by free radicals. This simple habit, when incorporated into the daily routine, can significantly contribute to maintaining liver and overall health. 5. Cranberry juice. Known for its benefits to the urinary tract, cranberry juice can also be a valuable ally for liver health. Rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and flavonoids, it helps to protect the liver against oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. These antioxidants may assist in preventing liver diseases and improving liver function. Additionally, cranberry juice can play a role in reducing the risk of gallstone formation, an indirect benefit to liver health since the gallbladder works together with the liver in the digestion of fats. Moderate consumption of cranberry juice, preferably without added sugar, can contribute to a healthy liver, supporting its ability to process and eliminate toxins from the body. 6. Dandelion tea. Traditionally used in herbal medicine to support liver health, dandelion tea is a natural diuretic that helps in the elimination of toxins through increased urine production. This tea also stimulates the production of bile, facilitating the digestion and absorption of fats, which in turn helps to detoxify the liver. The bioactive compounds in dandelion, such as polyphenols, offer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, protecting the liver cells against damage caused by free radicals and toxic substances. Regularly consuming dandelion tea can contribute to improved liver function and promote liver health. However, it is important to consume it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional before including it in your diet, especially for people with specific medical conditions. 7. Boldo tea. This tea is widely recognized for its properties that favor liver health and digestion. Originating from South America, boldo contains compounds such as boldine, which stimulate the production and excretion of bile by the liver. This process is crucial for the proper digestion of fats and helps to prevent the formation of gallstones. Moreover, boldo tea has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect liver cells against oxidative damage and reduce inflammation in the liver. Including boldo tea in the diet can aid in liver detoxification, improving liver function, and promoting the overall health of the organ. It is important, however, to use this herb with caution and under medical guidance, especially in people with severe liver problems or pregnant women. 8. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is known for its healing and detoxifying properties. Rich in vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids, aloe vera can help improve liver function and promote the detoxification of the body. This juice acts by stimulating the production of bile, essential for the digestion and absorption of fats, as well as aiding in the elimination of toxins from the liver and gastrointestinal tract. The presence of antioxidants in aloe vera also offers protection against cellular damage and inflammation, contributing to liver health. Consuming aloe vera juice can be a natural way to support liver detoxification, but it is important to ensure that the juice is from a safe source and free of aloane, a compound that can be harmful in large quantities. 9. Carrot juice. Rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and other antioxidants, carrot juice is beneficial for liver health. These nutrients protect the liver against damage caused by free radicals and assist in the regeneration of liver cells. Vitamin A, in particular, is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system and for liver function. Carrot juice also contains flavonoids that improve liver function and help in the body's detoxification, facilitating the elimination of toxins. Regularly consuming carrot juice can contribute to maintaining liver health, in addition to offering other health benefits, such as improving vision and strengthening the immune system. It's a simple and delicious way to support liver health with daily nutrition. 10. Grape juice. Grapes, especially dark varieties, are rich in antioxidants, like resveratrol, which has been associated with various health benefits, including liver protection. Resveratrol helps to reduce inflammation in the liver and protect against liver damage, potentially reducing the risk of liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Moreover, grape juice can help improve liver function by increasing antioxidant levels in the body, which assists in neutralizing toxins and free radicals. Consuming grape juice in moderation can be an effective strategy to support liver health, but it is important to choose juices without added sugar to avoid excessive calorie intake and negative impact on metabolic health. 11. Artichoke. Tea. Artichoke is well known for its liver health benefiting properties. Tea made from artichoke leaves can help stimulate bile production, facilitating the digestion and absorption of fats, as well as aiding in the detoxification of the liver. The cynorins present in artichoke have antioxidant and hepatoprotective effects, protecting the liver against damage and stimulating the regeneration of liver tissue. Regular consumption of artichoke tea can improve liver function and reduce symptoms of liver diseases, such as jaundice. Moreover, artichoke aids in reducing blood lipid levels, contributing to cardiovascular health. Incorporating artichoke tea into your diet can be a natural and effective way to support liver health, but it's always recommended to consult a healthcare professional before starting its use. 12. Coconut water. Coconut water is a beverage naturally rich in electrolytes, such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential for hydration and proper body functioning. In addition to hydrating, coconut water helps cleanse the liver, facilitating the elimination of toxins. This precious liquid also contains antioxidants that protect the liver against damage caused by free radicals and can help in the prevention of liver diseases. Regularly consuming coconut water can be a delicious and refreshing way to support liver health, especially after physical exercise or in hot climates, when hydration becomes even more important. It's a healthy alternative to sugary drinks or energy drinks, offering natural benefits without the excess calories or artificial additives. 13. Milk thistle tea. Milk thistle is a medicinal plant recognized for its hepatoprotective properties, thanks to its main active component, silymarin. Silymarin is a complex of flavonolignin that has the ability to protect liver cells against toxins and promote the regeneration of liver tissue. Additionally, it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Consuming milk thistle tea can be especially beneficial for people with liver diseases, such as hepatitis or cirrhosis, as it helps to improve liver function. However, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before starting to use milk thistle tea as a supplement, especially for those who are taking medications due to the potential for interaction. 14. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented beverage full of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria for the digestive tract. These probiotics help maintain the health of the intestinal microbiome, which in turn can have positive effects on liver health. A healthy gut can help reduce the incidence of inflammation and infection in the body, including the liver, thereby minimizing the risk of liver diseases. Moreover, the probiotics present in kefir can aid in liver detoxification, supporting the elimination of harmful substances. The beverage is also rich in essential nutrients, such as B vitamins, calcium, and magnesium, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Including kefir in the diet is a tasty and efficient way to promote digestive and liver health, as well as to strengthen the immune system. 15. Pomegranate juice. Rich in antioxidants such as ellagic acid and punicalagin, pomegranate juice offers protection to the liver against damage caused by toxins and inflammatory processes. These antioxidants strengthen the liver's natural defenses, helping to neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. Research suggests that pomegranate juice may also play a role in reducing the accumulation of fat in the liver, one of the main contributors to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Consuming pomegranate juice can help improve liver function and protect against liver diseases, in addition to offering cardiovascular benefits due to its high antioxidant content. It is a nutritious and delicious choice to include in the diet, but should be consumed in moderation, due to its natural sugar content. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.